The stock market is a place where there are the most rumors. If you have to buy and sell every time you hear a rumor, then no matter how much money you make, it will not be enough to compensate. Keep an eye on the changes in the economy and stock market every day, and you must work hard to study them yourself. Investors must have the same mentality as a tortoise, observing slowly and buying and selling cautiously. Don't be too optimistic. Don't think that the stock market will rise forever and operate with your own funds. Eat only 8% full. Trading is not about buying low and selling high. In fact, it is about buying high and selling higher, making the strong stronger and the weak weaker. I know when to exit before I enter. Choose stocks with great potential in the future that have not yet been noticed by the world and hold them for a long time. Don't just jump into the bullish topics as soon as you see them published in newspapers or magazines. Unforeseen events may occur at any time, so you must remember that investing in stocks is always risky. When choosing stocks, don't rely on others' recommendations, but make your own choices after researching. You must be able to predict economic changes in 1 or 2 years. Every stock has its appropriate price. If the stock price exceeds its appropriate level, do not chase the price higher. The stock price must ultimately be determined by its performance, and you must not touch stocks that are handmade by traders. Patience not only refers to your patience when trading, but also reflects whether you learn all the basic knowledge about trading in a normal time. There are no shortcuts in trading. Success is never easy. Every trader wants to find the way to success as soon as possible. In fact, most people will die on the way. The road to success is long. Always learn a little and practice a little. Understand a little, make progress. Failure and pain are your best teachers. Those who think that trading can be done quickly and that trading can make a fortune instead of dealing with the world with a normal heart will be blinded and unable to open their minds, and it is impossible to be among the winners. If you are a first-time trader, learning is inevitable. Learn from winners, learn from investment masters, learn from practice, learn with your heart, and find effective rules that suit you. Learning is endless, and learning may not necessarily lead to success. If you don't learn, you won't even be able to enter the door. Survival in trading is the first level. If you pay too much attention to survival and are afraid of losses, death is just a matter of time for you. If you don't pay attention to survival and operate against the trend with heavy positions, death will come soon. You have to look for patterns with your heart. Your patterns first allow you to survive. In the process of looking for patterns, your emotions will become complicated. In order to survive, you must try your best to find effective patterns and continuously strengthen your understanding of the pattern. The ability to execute rules only requires continuous practice of rules and consistent training of emotions. There will be fewer and fewer delusions in the mind, and chaotic emotions will slowly be repaired and stabilized. When your net worth is also as it increases, your confidence will increase, and the more you will be able to do it according to the rules, this process will be very difficult. Starting out with a few successful trades that follow the rules perfectly is important for confidence. In this way, after a certain period of time, some emotional problems in trading will disappear. Only when your mind is pure can you truly get out of the complexity of the stock market and be among the winners. There are no eternal laws in trading. Only a clear heart will remain unchanged. No analysis method is perfect. There has never been a perfect analysis method before, and there will never be one in the future. Laws were valid before, but are invalid now. Sometimes are valid and sometimes are invalid. This type is valid and that type is invalid. It is valid but not valid. Only a pure heart can discern the rules, control the rules, and use the rules well. Sometimes you do things according to the rules and achieve great success. Your ego will swell, causing you to lose control of your emotions and lead to failure. In a complicated process, success or failure and emotional stability are a repeated process, and it will not be smooth sailing. Reasonable rest is needed to regulate emotions. For the process, you have to record it, analyze it, acknowledge it, solve it, and improve it. Everyone will encounter 2 or 3 great opportunities in his life. Whether you can seize this golden opportunity in time depends on your daily efforts and physical and mental training. The integration of theory and practice, coupled with day and night thinking training, can increase the probability of success. In addition, when making major decisions, intuition is often required. This intuition does not come from talent, but from the experience accumulated in countless battles. Adhere to stop losses and profits. Don't be greedy. If the market is not right, you must retreat.